Hello everyone, my name is Cassandra and welcome to today's video. In this video, I am going to show you all simple yet beautiful card designs which we can do within 5 minutes. I will mention all the materials you require in the description box. So let's get started. For the first card, I am taking a cardstock of A5 size, that is 21 into 14.8 centimeters, and I am folding it in half. Next, I am taking a pattern paper from the watercolor ballet pack, and I am cutting out 14 into 9.5 centimeters. If you have not seen my pattern paper haul, I'll link it down in the description box. Do check that out and show me some love. And if you are new to my channel, I make videos of upcycling, DIYs, card making, hauls, almost everything crafty and creative. So make sure you hit that little subscribe button down there. So next I'm going to apply some glue and paste the pattern paper onto the cardstock. Now I will select which sentiment I want. So I guess I will go with love. So here I have cut it out. Now I'm going to apply some glue onto this and I'm going to paste this on a glitter paper. Next, I'm going to trim off the excess paper, leaving a slight golden border. Now I'm going to take a dark pink textured paper and cut a 1 centimeter strip. Next, I will arrange my elements, and once I am happy with the arrangement, I am going to go ahead and glue it together. Here, for the sentiment, I am using a double-sided tape to give it a 3D look. And this is how my first card turned out. For the next card again, I am going to take a A5 size cardstock paper and fold it into half. Next, I am going to take the same pattern paper and I am going to mark 14 centimeters into 5 centimeters. This is how it looks like. Now I am going to take the glitter paper and I am going to cut 14.5 into 7.5 centimeters. Next, I am going to arrange my cutouts, and once I am done, I am going to glue it up. Now I will select the sentiment that I want to use. For this card, I decided to go with congratulations. Now I'm going to paste it on the pink texture paper. I am using the sentiments from the Floral palette pack itself, but you can stamp out or use handwritten sentiments for your cards. Next, I am going to cut the pink paper like this. Now I am going to align my sentiment, and then I am going to paste it using a double-sided tape. And here my second card is ready. For the third card again, I am going to take a paper of A5 size and I am going to fold it into half. Next, I am going to take my floral pattern paper and I am going to take my card and I am going to mark a line of around 8 centimeters to 9 centimeters like this. Now I'm just going to mark a slanting line like this. And now let's cut this paper. Now I'm just going to apply some glue and I'm going to paste it to my cardstock. Then I'm going to take the glitter paper and I'm going to cut a strip of 1 centimeter. And I'm going to paste it like this. And then I will cut off the extra paper. For this card, I decided to go with the happy birthday sentiment. Next, I am going to paste the sentiment on the pink paper. Now, I am going to trim the extra paper, leaving a slight border like this. Now I am going to cut this little rose from this sentiment sheet. Next, I am going to align these elements. And now let's paste them. I am going to use double-sided tape to stick this rose. So this is what my third card looks like. Comment down below and let me know which card did you like the most. If you try out any of these, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And if you liked this video, hit the like button. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And turn on the bell notification as well to get notified every time I post. And see you in the next video. Bye.